Unity Forge, established in the 1960s as a pioneer in the forging industry in India, has today emerged as a preferred forging supplier to quality-conscious customers across the world in countries like Germany, Singapore, USA, UK, Thailand, China and others. With its ISO 9001-2008 certification and its unfaltering commitment to quality, Unity Forge has consistently met and surpassed most stringent expectations. Delivering customized solutions is what gives Unity Forge the cutting edge. Strict quality control at the entry and exit of every stage, and continuous monitoring of the process systems has enabled Unity Forge to ensure excellence in every product it manufactures. And this penchant for no compromise on quality starts right from the time the raw material is unloaded in the RM yard. Though the material, accompanied by a TC, is procured from reputed steel mills with ISO certification and approved by the customer, Unity Forge conducts its own series of chemical and physical tests before feeding it into the manufacturing process. The cutting area is equipped with high-power shearing and sawing machines. The cut pieces are ground to remove sharp edges, which may cause cracks in the metal. The heart of the factory is the dies and tool manufacturing unit with computer-aided vertical machine center, which is used for impression forging and tool die production. Manual die making benches are also available to cater to specific requests by customers. The forge shop has hammers of various capacities ranging from 15 CWT to 2 tons. Right-sized billets are fed through various stages of heating and forming based on the design. This is followed by heat treatment, which is a specialized area at Unity Forge. The nearly completed product then goes through another series of inspection tests, including for hardness. These tests, using universal testing machine, ultrasonic, microscopic equipment, help set the benchmark for that batch. We cater to various industries like auto sector, valve and oil field industry, defense industry, railway and general engineering. Our 100% in-house team comprises engineers, technicians, quality control specialists and skilled labor with rich experience. A benchmark that meets, if not surpasses, our clients' expectations, demonstrating our commitment to zero tolerance in quality assurance. A fact which is acclaimed by our esteemed customers all over the world. Unity Forge, driven by its passion for quality.